So like I was saying, we got the motor. What up though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and as you can see from the thumbnail, this is going to be an update on the Ford Explorer that we received, I'm gonna let y'all know, 3 months ago. So let's go check her out. So here she is in her glory. If y'all new to this channel, this is the 2013 Ford Explorer that we are getting paid to do a motor swap on. The deal was drop us off the car with the motor and we'll swap it. But no, we had to go pick this car up from the family member. Hashtag customer, which still is a family member. And now it's been 3 months. I done finished, as y'all, if y'all new to this channel, if you're not new to this channel, I done finished 2 other project cars, 2 other donation cars. That's, if you don't know, go watch the videos. We finished the Honda donation Honda Civic, and we finished the donation Monte Carlo SS. All while we was waiting for an engine for this car, and possibly it's gonna need a transmission. So I don't know how much longer we're gonna be waiting. I still gotta pull the engine out of this one. And as y'all can see right there, she's spewing out transmission fluid every time you put her in gear. So we gotta get this motor pulled. But like I said, she's been sitting over at my house for 3 months waiting on a motor. We offered them $600 for this car. Like, I give y'all $600. Y'all must don't want it. It's been sitting over here for 3 months. Still waiting on that motor. Then they hurried up and got that motor. They're like, oh, wow, we didn't know it's been sitting over there for 3 months. But we moved it to the street because it has plates on it. And it's been sitting out there. Battery, we rejuvenated the battery, so the battery started every time. And if y'all new to this channel, but if you're not new to this channel, go check out the video on when we got the car. The whole interior was flooded on the passenger side. Oh, the doors are locked. Grab the car keys. There we go. She was flooded. And off camera, she's still dry. So after we got her, we shot that first video. We removed the whole interior, center console, seats, and these seats was a pain because it's one big long bench seat that bolts down in the middle up under the center console and bolts over here. So you gotta take the whole center console out, unbolt it, and pick up the whole front end, whole seat, and pull it out. And that was a pain. They still supposed to be getting the door cards because the door cards are worn, trim pieces. But like I said, we done had it 3 months. We done had rain, we had rainstorms, and she's still dry and without mold. Put the whole interior out, shampooed the whole interior, and she still smell potpourri fresh. But she does run, but the motor knocks and the transmission spews out transmission fluid. I don't know what else to tell. I just know I just gotta get this motor pulled out so I can load it on the Black Beauty that's over there somewhere. Y'all see over there. I still got the black Ram. If y'all new to this channel that I started my channel with. She's still running. I would like to do a Hemi swap with her eventually. Like I said, she's clean. We did extra work getting all the mold out and stuff because my granddaughter We will be riding in this car, so we got all the mold out. But with all that, let me jump to the big old surprise. And the surprise is, like I said, we got a motor. Y'all seen this motor in my other video. My last video was sitting in the garage while I was working. Because we finally got that motor out of a 2014 Explorer, the 3.5 liter, with only 89,000 miles. This motor cost my granddaughter's mother and stepdaddy $2,100 from the scrap yard. Not the scrap yard, the junkyard. We obviously say junkyard. Y'all know auto recyclers where they buy cars and they recycle them. So that's why we got this motor from. Got a part number, everything. They said it's good to go. But first, I gotta pull that one out to get this one swapped over. But we finally got the motor. Some stuff on it is damaged. We're gonna get all that stuff situated. So like I was saying, we got the motor. Now it's time to figure out the game plan, how to attack this motor and get this motor out. And that'd be like in the next video. Be ripping the whole front end of this car off so we can pull the motor out from the front. I don't think I need to remove the hood, just prop the hood up. But yeah, I probably can remove the hood. Like it's been removed before, because like somebody been here before. If y'all watched the other video. But if y'all new to this channel, this motor already been swapped out. A lot of parts got broke. Like they already had the hood off. So I might as well pull the hood off. I'm just talking to YouTubers. Yeah, I might as well pull this hood off and set it to the side. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Ain't being a big. I'm just looking at all the steps. The hood already been off. You see all the little marks from them taking the hood off when they did the other motor swap. So I'm gonna put the hood off too, get it out the way and throw it in the garage until I'm done. A lot of this stuff been off because it's all loose and messed up. Look, this is not how y'all do work, people. But it is what it is. I'm reckon this cowl got to come off too. So we got a big job on our hands. You can tell, look at that. They even put the car back together right. Just smashed everything together. But we get her back right. Think of some other things that she told me about on this car that was messed up. I think the windshield washer reservoir is broken and it leaks. So I got to take a look at that. I get everything apart. So then the car only got windshield washer fluid, but like I said, it's leaking transmission fluid. We just gotta get the motor pulled out so I can get the motor loaded on Black Beauty, like I said, and so they can get the core charge back. And I get to work. I don't know, my stepson Roro gonna help because he always at work. We all work full-time jobs over here. That's why we say help build this channel up. Then probably one of us can quit our full-time job. Probably be me though, you know what I'm saying? I was the one that made the channel, but you know what I'm saying? But yeah, then eventually everybody quit their jobs and we all just do YouTube and knock these cars out instead of me having cars sit around like that one, if you're new to the channel. Because I'm only one person and it take me a while to 2 cars. I don't know why. It depends on the damage. That car's got a lot of body rust that I got to figure out how to repair because I want my fenders to fit. Like I said, I'm keeping that car. I've said that plenty of times. It got 116,000 miles, code AC. Really haven't driven it on the road yet, but we got brand new tires on it. She got brand new. Yeah, if y'all new to the channel, go watch the videos on the Copart. Well, the red Copart Monte Carlo. But like I said, this is an update video. What's going on right here? The interior, we do a good job pulling the interiors out, cleaning them, so and so. But because she's back in the driveway. That's all I gotta say. She's back in the driveway. She's off the street. Now it's time to rip her heart out, and go from there. Still trying to figure out how we're gonna do this, but it's gonna get done. We getting paid to get it done, and gonna see if it's worth what I asked for. I tell everybody $600, bring me the car, the engine, $600, and I'll swap it over. Like, should I be raising the prices? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. But with all that said, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what we should do or how we should attack the 2013 Ford Explorer. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers on your social media if you would. Be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds so I can finally get a shot. Finally get monetized. And if you do that, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a video, which is not that often, just once a week, because we do work full-time jobs. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. It's all links in the description area below. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations of cars, just like the ones that y'all might have me see me work on, like the donation Honda Civic, the donation Monte Carlo, the donation Hyundai Sonata. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces.